I have 2010 Honda Odyssey, and today I'll change the AC filter or cabin air filter. Honda recommends replacing the AC filter about 30,000 miles or whenever is needed. And I changed mine about the same time I changed the engine air filter, which is about 20,000 miles. The filter is located on the inside of the vehicle, in front of the passenger side, behind the glove box. Before we get started on changing the filter, we're gonna make sure that the glove box is empty. You remove all the stuff. We don't need any special tools, just a flathead screwdriver to get this job done. Inside the glove box, we see this tab here on the corner. We are going to just pull on this one, pull, and it removes it. Next thing we're going to do is remove this plastic thing and just let it be here. Now on the other side, if you see the glove box from the right hand side, you see this is the tab we're actually working with. So we're going to open that and remove this kind of black rubber stay, this thing that actually stops the glove box from opening completely. So that's the task, and we're going to put our metal head screwdriver here, pop that up, and then kind of wiggle this thing out of the groove here. So we're going to do the same thing, put a flathead screwdriver here, twist it a little bit, and that should pop it out, and then slowly just remove this. Now that the glove box is open, we just have it drop down completely. The filter, the AC filter, is behind this cover. Both sides of the cover, you have a little bit of a latch thing going on. So if I can, both hands available, press inwards and just kind of open this. The whole thing comes out. So that's my filter. And you can see it has stuff in it. Okay. I'm going to use a moist cloth to clean that if possible. And then we're going to replace the filter. So this is the old filter, and in comparison, this is the new filter. Okay, so I'm going to pop this out, easy. We use a moist cloth to clean on the inside before I install the new filter. Cleaned up the plastic frame and ready to put the filter in the frame. I gotta be careful, the airflow marking is about the same from top down. So look at the airflow, this is not the way, so the other way this is. One of these folds is going to go in that plastic crease, that indentation that's there. So once I put the filter on, so here, making sure it fits that little crease thing we got. So maybe better to do it on the other side. So looking at it from the other side. So there you go. So this is good. I fixed that in. So now this is good. It goes in the crease. So there's no other space between the filter and the frame. So that's good. Now I'll work on the front side the same way. Okay, good. You see, now there's one of the folds went in that crease, and now there's no space between the body, so between the frame and the sides of the filter. Now this filter is now ready to install. So the installation of the filter is just the opposite of how we removed it. So I'm going to take this top down airflow, put that here slowly, and push it back until I hear clicks, 2 clicks for those 2 tabs to set in place. Okay, I guess 1 big click works. So make sure it's fixed. Yeah. We're gonna move the glove box back up. As we're doing that, we're gonna make sure that the connector here actually stays up over it. So there's a little bit of groove here, just should come from here. So when we go, we're good there. So for now, I'm gonna have that go in that little plastic connector, just so the glove box stays in almost its position. And that's important because I'm gonna start installing these stays on the side I'm going to start with the one on the right hand side. So this is the stair we're talking about. I'm going to put that rubber portion back in. That's one piece, and then after the rubber portion goes in, I'm going to move it forward so that this plastic tab is the one that goes to the end. So it's kind of like this. So put that back, the rubber portion back in. That's there. So put the glove box up a little bit. So you see what I did? I moved it up. And now I'm going to press on this, push it down. So we'll have some snap sound so it'll fit in place. You can see that here, this one here is there. Now this is fixed. I'm going to do it on the other side. So move the rubber portion back in first. Once it's there, I'm going to have that, it's forward right here. So now forward and almost in its place, I'm going to just push it down just to snap. And here it snaps out. Okay. So now this is good, fixed. The glove box is not moving anymore. The last piece is this cap that we had removed, so this goes over it. Here, so you just move them here and push it forward. And that takes care of our air filter replacement. Thanks for watching.